Hi, I'm Becky at Kitronik, and here we have the Lesson in a Box screen-free programming pack for Mai-Z The MouseBot. Let's have a look at what's in the box. Packed in strong, sturdy boxes are 11 sets of 53 instruction blocks, containing a variety of LED, sensor and directional commands, each with their own unique barcode. 11 screen-free cheeseboard PCBs that plug into the microbit edge connector. Read your program by pressing record and perform it by pressing play. And 11 student booklets. Booklets contain 4 fun, easy-to-follow lessons, as well as explanations of how to use the PCBs and instruction blocks. All stored in a durable, stackable Grapnels tray for safe, reliable storage. You will also receive an exclusive access code to download the accompanying teacher presentation through our brand new web portal. This is the Lesson in a Box screen-free programming pack for Mai-Z The MouseBot.